Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
All right, we're gonna make one of my favorite fast appetizers. Now I am gonna deep fry this. I know a lot of people aren't into deep frying. I get it. You can cook this in an air fryer if you really want to, but I promise you it's much better deep fried. So the first thing you're gonna need are some egg roll wraps. Now this is the brand I bought at Kroger. Really doesn't matter, you can use any one you want. If you want to use smaller ones, use the wonton wraps, that's fine too. They're just laying here, ready to use. I'm gonna need a couple of eggs. All I've done is just break them and lightly beat them. I've got a bowl of flour here that I've lightly seasoned with some salt, pepper, and garlic. My chicken. Now this is just a Sam's rotisserie chicken that I boned. The fastest way to do that, by the way, if you've never done it, pull the whole chicken apart, throw it in a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag, knead it like dough. The meat will just fall off the bones, and you can toss the bones or use them for soup. Two more things. You're gonna need some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. If you're big into mozzarella, by all means, use mozzarella. I happen to like this stuff. And then some buffalo sauce. Use any brand you want. Doesn't matter. Use any heat you want. This is just the traditional Frank's Red Hot. So we've got some prep work to do first. Most importantly, preheat your fryer. So I'm just frying in vegetable oil at 350. The light literally just came on. So what we're going to do is take some chicken, break it up really good. Now to this, I'm going to add some buffalo sauce. And before you ask me how much, it's all up to your taste buds, all right? So I'm going to soak the chicken pretty well so that it kind of absorbs the sauce, but is not swimming in it. But again, it depends on what you like, okay? All right, so this is our filling, if you will, and then we're going to top it with the cheese. So take an egg roll wrap, just very lightly, and I do mean very lightly, brush it with a little bit of your egg. It works as a binding agent. Make sure you get the corners, because that's where it's going to all stick together, or not, if in a bad world. Take some of your chicken mixture, about a blob like that, and then as much cheese as your little heart desires. Okay? Now all we're going to do is fold this across the corners. So from the bottom corner to the top corner, and then press it down so it's all touching. Bring it back around. The egg will help it stick. Then I like to flip it over. Now you can be done right here if you want, but I'm going to give it a little bit more glue, if you will, and just kind of pull those corners in. Okay? Now, you could just cook it like this, it'd be great, but it's even better if you deep fry it. So I'm going to stick it in the egg. And then in the flour. And one more time. Okay, and that sucker is ready to go in here. These only need to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. They can fry them a little longer if you want darker color, but you know everything's cooked except the wrap. So when you take them out of the fryer, that's what they look like. And they are ridiculously good. Now I'm going to let those cool for just a minute, and then I'll cut into one so you can see what the inside looks like. And all you need for this is ranch or blue cheese dressing. And go to town. A beer doesn't hurt either. So let's cut into one of these. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, If you like buffalo chicken, if you like hot wings, you got to try this. It's so simple, and they're so stupid good. Call them whatever you want them, okay? I call them buffalo chicken pockets, but you can call them whatever you want. But try it. It's not hard. It's really, really good. If there's something you'd like me to make, all you do, comment on this video or drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingoshift.com. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment because that pushes the algorithm. Until next time, eat fabulous. See you soon.